guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back for a really exciting video that I'm filming today. And as you guys can see from the title, that is a what I got for my 23rd birthday haul, but it's not really a haul because other people have gifted you the items, so I guess just a what I got for my 23rd birthday. And I'm really excited to be filming this today. I did film one of these, I believe, for my 20th, which is actually crazy. Was it my 20th? Weird. And I hadn't filmed one in a really long time, and I had a few of you guys ask me over on Instagram if I could film this, so I thought, why not? Just quickly before I get into it, if you guys are not already subscribed, please go down there, hit subscribe, also turn the bell on, that way you will be notified when I upload. And I'd really appreciate it if you go check me out on Instagram. I'm going to leave it here and I'll leave it in the description box. But yeah, I'm trying to post every day over there, so if you want more of me, don't know why you would, but if you do, then go check me out on Instagram. Quickly, how cute is this jumper that I've got on right now? It just says Rachel and Ross, and it's like a white, really slouchy, comfy hoodie. This is actually from Boohoo, so I will link it below if any of you guys are interested. Or if you're just Friends fans, like, I just think it's a really cute kind of slogan jumper, so I will link it below. I'm gonna go through all of the bits that people gifted me for my birthday. I just want to preface this and put a disclaimer out there. Most of you guys are absolutely lovely, and obviously, like, you're also supportive of me and everything. And a lot of you guys did ask for this video. If you're not interested in seeing these kind of videos, which I can understand, just click out, just turn it off. I know that they're kind of popular on YouTube, which some people might not like, but they are, and I just really wanted to film it. I am aware that birthdays are not all about giving and gifts and materialistic things, and that's not what you should base your life on, but it's nice to have a few kind of, it's nice every now and again to, you know, indulge in some nice bits. And I'm just really grateful for all of you guys that did give me anything, to all of my friends out there and my family, and just any of you guys that spent the day with me or spent my birthday time with me. I really do appreciate it so much. I didn't want to do a lot for my 23rd this year just because it's my 23rd and it's kind of a bit of a weird one, isn't it? I actually went to an event on my birthday just because why not? Like, I wasn't going to do anything else, and I had a really nice day actually. And there will be a birthday vlog that's either already out or coming out, so yeah. Goodness me, this is a tangent of an instruction. Can we just get into the stuff? Yes. Okay guys, so one of the most exciting things that I got is this. Now, this is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics, I believe this is like the nude liquid kind of lip kit. My sister grabbed this for me, which I'm eternally grateful for, because she knows, firstly, I only ever wear nude lipsticks, which I'm sure all of you guys know, and secondly, I've never owned anything Jeffree Star before, so I'm actually really excited. I'm obsessed with this box. It's like that really nice feeling, you know, that like kind of like matte suede-y. It's an unusual texture, but I love it. You just pull it out here. It says open here for nudes, which I think is kind of cute. And then it has all of these nude shades in. Hallelujah. I am really excited about this. It has all of the kind of like classics, like Celebrity Skin, Mannequin, Leo, Androgyny. All of the colours that I would wear, they're all pinks, they're all nudes, just honestly so up my alley. What I love about them is they are handbag appropriate. They're little mini size ones, which I just really like. So I'm yet to still try these out. Should I have a sniff and see what we think of the smell? Oh, it kind of just doesn't really smell like much. That's kind of nice, but it's kind of like nothing at the same time. This was a little thing from my sister and I absolutely love it. Oh, I just whacked my knee on that. What is wrong with me? Okay, these next few bits are all from Anthropologie. Anthropologie is like one of my favourite shops for stationery, cards, homeware, things like that. Not necessarily the clothes, they're just not really my kind of thing, but all the little bits I'm obsessed with. So my mum grabbed me some really nice stationery. I am like a sucker for stationery. Can anyone else relate? Like, if I see a nice notebook, I've got to have it. Got me this little notebook, which I love. And then she got me this, which is the Take Notes kind of like notebook type thing. It has a big notepad here, so, and it's also got like a pocket if you need to store anything. I just really like this. It's pink, it's girly, it's literally just so me. Following on from that, she grabbed me this candle, which has a G on it and smells amazing. It says it's sparkling grapefruit, but it honestly smells gorgeous. And I just think this candle, like, in and of itself is so nice. Like, once I've burnt the candle, I'm really excited to use this to like store my brushes in or something. Some of the next few bits are just from friends, so I'm gonna whiz through them. I'm sorry if I don't shout you out directly. You guys know how much I appreciate you all. One of the first things I have here is from my friends, one of like my family friends, so like my really good friend's mum and her auntie. They got me this Pandora bracelet, which I love. I actually saw it on my friend and I really wanted it. It's basically just a plain silver kind of bracelet with this little clasp, but I just love the simplicity of it, and it looks really lovely layered up with a few other kind of light thin pieces of jewellery. That's how I've kind of just been wearing it, and it's just so comfortable on the wrist that I don't even know it's there, so I love this. One of my really good friends got me this little ritual set. She knows how obsessed with rituals I am. I am in love with them. I think they're fabulous. So this is just the pink set, and I've honestly had like, I've gone through so many of these, it's a joke. But there's a few things in here that I haven't tried, which I'm really excited about. So they're just like little minis like this, and I just love how Rituals package everything as well. Highly recommend going in there and just trying it all out, because I feel like they have something for everyone. This is quite a girly scent, but they have like orange scent. They have like, what's the green one? They have like loads of, you know, a variation. So if this one isn't for you, some of the other ones might be, but I'm obsessed with Rituals, so I loved that. And she also got me a little trip somewhere. By the time you see this video, I will be in Dubai. Yeah, and we're going up the Burj in Dubai, which I'm really excited about because I've never ever done that before, and neither has she. So that will be fun. We're doing that on Tuesday, and I'm really, really excited. So thanks, Chloe. One of my other really good friends got me a Zara voucher. She knows me far too well. She was like, you can put that towards a little Zara haul. You are so right. Thank you, Sam. Love a Zara voucher. Then some of my other girlfriends got me a few other bits. This notebook, which, guys, this notebook could not get more me if it tried. I believe this is from Skinny Dicks. I've seen them do other funny ones in there, but this one is an Ariana Grande notebook, and I just think it's really cute. I'm a massive Ariana Grande fan. I think she's fab, so I'm obsessed with this little notebook. Then they also grabbed me some Kiehl's bits, which I'm so excited about. I'm a big fan of Kiehl's, but I haven't purchased from them in a little while, so I love when friends get you bits because then you have exciting new things to try out. So I have this grapefruit body butter, this Kiehl's exfoliating body scrub, which I'm really excited about. I love a scrub. Then this soothing oil to foam body cleanser. I love oil to foam body cleansers. They're like my favourite. They're just a little bit more of a luxury thing, so I never really buy them for myself, but I absolutely love them. Complimentary service. That would be so nice. Oh, and loads of samples. She's put so many samples in there. And lastly, she just picked me up this grapefruit soap, which I also love. And all of this stuff smells beautiful, honestly. It smells amazing. So thank you, girlies. Thanks to both of you. And lastly, the big finale gift. Some of you guys are going to be like, I can't believe you got that. Like, please don't be like angry with me in the comments or anything. But I just thought, for those of you that are a fan of handbags or do like handbags, then you might want to see me sharing this with you all. And I'm just really excited about it. And I am super, super appreciative of this gift. I cannot quite believe that it is mine. A Mulberry bag. So this is a little Mulberry bag. It comes in the dust bag that looks like this. Now, I'm not sure of the exact name of this bag. I want to say it's the Bayswater, but it's got like a twist on it. It's not like the classic Bayswater, which is obviously a bit bigger and a bit more like a kind of tote bag. This is more like a crossbody, and they do this in 3 sizes, I believe. Large, medium, and then an even smaller one. But they're called like micro, small, and then medium. I really hope I'm making sense to any of you guys out there. I believe this is the taupe shade, and I do think they're actually discontinuing this shade, which I don't know why, because I think it's the perfect colour, because it is, to me, great for spring, great for summer, autumn and winter. It's dark enough to get away with for winter, but I think it's light enough to get away with wearing with white in the summer. See, I haven't taken all of this off yet. I am going to do that, actually. So why don't we do that together? Okay, so this is it with all of the like wrapping and packaging off. I hope you guys can see. It just has the little like gold clasp here. Just says Mulberry there. I love the shape of this. I think it's gorgeous. If you wanted to, you could just rock it like that. But obviously it does also come with a crossbody strap, which is just super useful. And obviously you can adjust the length, because then you can have it like, you can have your arms free. The next size down is absolutely gorgeous, but it was just a little bit too small, more of like an evening bag, and I wanted to be able to wear this all the time, every day, and I'm in love with this bag so much. It also has like a red kind of interior, like a burgundy sort of interior, which is lovely. I honestly love handbags. It's just something that I really, really like. Everyone has their little thing, don't they? So I'm so unbelievably grateful and happy for this. Thank you so much. My lovely sister was kind enough very kind enough to grab me the matching purse, which was just so lovely of her. I currently have a purse that I actually got from Bicester Village, and I get so many questions about my purse. And it basically is just like Gucci print from Bicester Village. I got quite a good deal on it, but it's so worn now. Like, I have worn that purse into the ground. It definitely looks a little bit bashed about. So she just went and got me the little matching purse. For me, these purses are the perfect size because I can throw them in any handbag. I used to have like bigger ones, but I do find these really useful. So this is a gorgeous taupe one, and it just has a little zip and 2 compartments, I believe, to put bits and bobs in there. I also have a card holder, so I could always use this for change and the card holder for my cards. They look so cute together. Okay guys, so that was it for this what I got for my 23rd birthday video. Like I said, it's kind of unusual filming one of these just because it's not stuff you bought yourself, it's stuff other people have bought you and you're like showing it. So I get that it can come across a little bit braggy. I do get that. I don't think that that comes from nowhere, but I think knowing the intent of the person, hopefully you know that was not my intention. I just had a few of you DM me on Instagram and be like, what did you get? We want to see. So I thought, why not film a video? I hope you did enjoy this different style of video. Let me know in the comments below if you want this to be a regular yearly thing, if I should be doing that for my 24th, my 25th. Thank you all so much for watching. I know I am very grateful for all of these gorgeous pieces that I got. Very blessed. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.